Huh. This is my house. And this is unboxing video with the family. I don't really know why I'm doing this, but I thought it'd be fun to show you guys the pickup right here. We ended up getting a thing from Foot Locker.
I did.
What are these called? Yeezys?
Yeah.
My wife called them Yeezys. Can you show everybody else what else you got over here? Ooh, look at this. Christmas ready. 3 prongs wireless remote. A stud finder. Wait.
What?
Beep, 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 beep. This is a stud finder.
Wouldn't that go to you then?
That's why I was pointing it towards me.
Oh, I thought you were pointing towards me.
No, you're the hot chick finder. I'll get one of those next time. Staples for lights. Okay, so some of the stuff, and then I'll get into this real quick.
Bath and Body Works special 3 for $3.
Wait, let's show them the flavors though.
The flavors? You mean the
Frosted
scents?
coconut snowball.
Spiced peppermint.
Ooh, that sounds spicy.
Winter candy apple. Cranberry peach. Mary berry kiss.
What? Ooh, kinky.
And twisted peppermint.
Whoa. My favorite, just by the names, is coconut balls. It's frosted. Which one would you guys choose if you had to choose any of these delicious flavors? How much were they?
They're buy 3, get 3 free.
Oh, nice. Okay, cool. And then you got some Lush balls.
Well, Harrison loves bath bombs.
I know. They're only like $5 each. How much was Lush bill? $80?
No. Well, I use this for my hands because my hands are always cracked from working.
Yeah.
And then I got a bunch of bath bombs for
Just a bunch
Harrison.
of random...
So like
Oh, yeah,
little
the robot.
It's a snow.
Penguin?
No, it's a snowman. Watch. Look at.
Oh,
look at.
cute.
Look at. Look at. Look at.
What?
Oh no! It broke.
Oh no.
Oh, sad.
That's so rad.
It's supposed to be a little snowman.
Minus that it's busted.
Oh, that's really sad.
And then a couple other ones in here.
No. There's some cool ones in here.
Oh, there's some cooler ones?
Oh, what the heck, dude?
Well, so part of it might be my fault because I was cramming the stroller in the car. I didn't realize it was delicate. We have a double wide bob, and it was raining, so I kind of jammed everything in.
Oh, you broke it.
Oh, no.
This one's cool though. Look
Oh
at
yeah,
that
rocket ship. Whoa! Look at the sparkles.
Minus the broken
Whoops.
stuff.
Well, that sucks. And yeah, so Yeezys. I'll show you that in a sec. Starbucks holiday cheer. What is this one again?
Chestnut something?
Chestnut roasting on the open fire. Delicious. Harrison playing. What do we have over here, Harrison? What are you doing? Oh, okay, so I got him this Wubble blower. Are you playing with your blower?
Yeah.
And he literally just goes around and blows, like, uses it as a leaf blower. Train set though. So I'm just showing you guys this random video because I have no content. Because I still don't have my MacBook yet. They were supposed to give it back to me today and it did not happen. And I'm kind of like clueless as to what I'm supposed to do with content now because I don't have my MacBook. So I actually have a bunch of stuff in the backlog. I had like 5 videos that I had really pending to be uploaded, and now I don't know what to do. It might be another week till I get that back. So right now I'm using this old piece of crap MacBook, and it takes like an hour to render a video, which is terrible. And it's my DJ laptop, so I have no memory on it. Literally, things are like the worst case scenario right now. So I'm trying to do some raw, uncut footage for the most part, and I'll have to edit a ton of stuff out. But I wanted to show you guys the Yeezys, my first thoughts on these real quick. And oh yeah, you guys want to see the baby? Let's go see the baby real quick. Oh, she just pooped?
Yeah. She's a pooping baby.
That is Maddie. She just woke up from a nap. She is chunking up. Oh yeah, and you guys want to see the dogs too. There's Lola, Chloe doing their things. And Christmas cheer, look at this. And it lights up. And if you follow me on Instagram and stuff, you'll see that Harrison like pretty much picked that out of Costco. So kind of ridiculous. Hair's a mess. I don't really care. It's Friday and like just family day. You guys are fam, so this is for you guys. So let's go ahead and show you guys the Yeezys real quick. All right, so that leaf blower is probably going to be back in the room again, but it is what it is. And yeah, I mean, this is as raw and as uncut as it can get. Me recording a video with the dogs making noise and the kids in the background. It is what it is. So this, I just want to let you guys know real quick. These are on sale for $135 right now. This is a Pegasus Turbo with Zoom X and the Nike React technology. One of my favorite shoes of this year, if not the favorite shoe of this year. On sale for $135. Check the links in the description to go to collectivekicks.com, and it'll show you guys all of the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals that I've been posting, and I plan on updating it a lot because stay tuned, Monday is going to have a bunch of cool stuff. But yeah, and shout out to the gingerbread house right there. So this is what I ended up getting. I can't believe I sent the wife in to pick these up because it is Black Friday at the mall, which was absolutely insane for her to pick these up. So I haven't seen the color of these in person yet, so this is my first look with you guys. This is a Sesame colorway. Man. Okay. I like it. Box fart. All right, so this is them. This is a first look for me, man. And I have to say, in hand, I'm looking and I'm liking. So we have definitely like a tan, sort of grayish tan upper on here. And the lighting in this room is a little bit darker, obviously. So it kind of has like a sand, oatmeal-y sort of look to it, I guess. The midsole's kind of like creamish, but not. I mean, it's sand too. And then the outsole is obviously that gum with a little outsole heel tab section right there. I think these look good, man. They didn't sell out super fast today, but I think that this is just one of those colorways that are so similar to the other ones that ended up releasing recently that people were just not going to be copying these ones. Plus, the zebras dropped the week before. So, and those ones kind of resale is like super not very good on those ones. And those surprised people, I think. Because I think some people thought that the zebras were just going to be crazy for resale. But I think this colorway is just so similar to the creams as well as the butters that honestly people are just probably passing because of that. Too much similarity, as I mentioned in the past, for reasons why Yeezys aren't selling out. But if you guys want to see a comparison video between those three, the creams, these, and the butters, just leave a comment or a thumbs up on this video and I'll go ahead and do that comparison video in my sneaker room with all of the proper lighting and everything like that. But all in all, I think that these look pretty good. First impression, I like the fact that there's no sply on the side right here. It doesn't look, somebody actually was wondering about that, if it looked visible or not. And that's my dog Lola wheezing and coughing in the back. She's pretty sick right now. Honestly, it's been really rough around the house. Plus having a new kid and everything and having a sick dog has just been crazy. But hopefully she gets better, but she's getting real old, unfortunately. Anyway, this is just a kind of an interesting look here because it doesn't have the sply like I was saying. It kind of is a little bit of texture on mine, but maybe I just don't understand. I don't necessarily know what that is. Let's see what the other one looks like. It does look like I could see it here. So I could see the sply through here. I don't know if you guys can. So it's still kind of visible. It's still there. All in all, I think the colorway is dope because I like, again, natural tones. I like earth tones and stuff like that. So for me, this is like a win, but I know for most of you guys out there, you're just not really feeling what Yeezy is offering in this new Sesame vibe. But you know, it's interesting because a lot of people were talking like they really were feeling these shoes a long time ago. And then now with the steam of the Yeezys just dying down, come release day, a lot of people went silent. So I found that kind of entertaining and interesting. But all in all, man, an easy pickup from Foot Locker. And actually something I wanted to mention, I never win on those Foot Locker raffles and stuff. And this is actually one of the first times that I won. So I was like actually blown away. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Blowing your leaf blower again? Yeah? Whoa, that's pretty cool. Are you blowing the thing over there? We gotta go watch real quick. This is Dad days. We're watching. Let's go. Let's see it. Whoa. Whoa. You blowing the bag? He's blowing the bag around. This is American, what is that movie? American Beauty? Right here. All right, dude. Hi, Maddie.
He's in Harrison's old clothes.
All right, Harrison, I'm going to finish my video real quick, okay? Okay, thanks, dude. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Chloe. Hi, old lady. Hi, little Chloe. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Lola. All right, let's finish this video. Oh, hey, how'd you get here? A lot of people were wanting updates on my Hydro Dip on these, on whether or not it's holding up, and the Hydro Dip holds up really well. Honestly, this one, there's a little bit of nicks and stuff on the Boost, but part of it is just me and the way I dip them. All in all, like the color and stuff and the saturation, it just holds up really well. You can see I've even scraped the crap out of the back section right there, and they still are holding up quite well. So yes, so far so good. It's working, and I'm gonna keep doing some more of these. I have a couple more videos. I have a ton more patterns that I haven't done, so planning on bringing you guys more videos as soon as I get time to actually customize. So as I was saying though, these were my very first time I ended up getting them on the app, and I saw a lot of successes on the app, so I don't know if they made some adjustments and it made it so a lot of regular people actually were able to get them and not bots, or just what ended up happening. But I saw a lot of people successful, including myself, and maybe they just had a really high stock number. It looked like there was like 11,000 on adidas.com from what like Yeezy Supply, or like what Yeezy Mafia was saying or something like that. I don't know how many pairs Yeezy Supply has, but I don't know, man. I don't really care about the hype on these things. Some shoes, like, I get it. If you really like the shoes that are releasing because of the hype, then that's why you buy them. But for me, like, the 350s I've really liked since the very first impressions of the shoe, like the very first images of the shoe with the boost in the midsole and everything else. And I like the colorways. I wish, though, that they would be more inventive and release more crazier colorways. Like the Bluego 1.0s were really dope. One of my favorite ones just because it has that crazy neon stripe down the middle, which was very controversial at the time. But that was the thing that was polarizing to people. And like they even made knockoff versions of those. They need to go back to that and bring something out that is different and special. You need help? What's wrong, buddy? Your blower turned off?
Yeah.
Do you need batteries?
Yeah.
Oh man. All the batteries are dead already?
Yeah, it's dead. I play it all day long.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Well, maybe we'll get you some more batteries for
Wow!
that.
Look! Look up there.
Whoa, that's a leaf on the wall. That's funny. Alright, well I'll fix that for you in a second, buddy. Anyway, I don't know what I was saying. What was I saying about these things? I figured I'd finish off in front of the camera. Shout out to the wife and the baby in the backdrop. I gotta go get back to dad duties, so shout out to you guys for stopping by and watching the video. As unprofessional as this is, sometimes this is just more like my style, honestly, just because it's more natural and it gives me the ability to create something while I have the city noise behind me and everything. But if you guys like the fact that I'm still trying to bring you guys something, smack the thumbs up button, or just leave a comment or hit me up on Twitter, say, hey, appreciate you for making the videos, or whatever. Just high fives to you guys. Appreciate you guys. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys. And yeah, they just need to be more inventive with colors, bring something more daring, and have more fun with what they're releasing, because I feel like they've lost that along the way. He went to like Yeezy Season 1 the entire time, and he's never really changed that vibe of like natural earth tones the entire time. So Yeezy, make some changes. Your products are dope. You just gotta like reinvent the wheel a little bit, because this is just getting a little bit old. I still like them, but if you're trying to hit the masses, I don't know. I don't think this is gonna be everybody's favorite colorway, but certain people out there like myself, I mean, I dig it. But that being said, I don't know what else do we have to say. Anything?
I like those a lot.
You like this colorway? What are these called? Yeezys? Hello, Maddie. Yeezys? She's so chubby. 2 months old and she's doubled in weight. Gains. 12 pounder?
Yeah,
she's a 12 pound little turkey. No, she's cute. She's cute as a button. We love that little Maddie. Family life is going great. Thank you for asking. Anyway, yeah, super random video. If you guys want to see that comparison video between these and the other two, leave a comment or a thumbs up on this video, and I will do that later in this week, because I have hopefully the time and the shoes to do it. So let's plan on doing that. Also, check out, again, collectivekicks.com. Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales. Lots of crazy good deals coming out. So stay tuned to that. Or just follow me on Twitter. I post them real time whenever I find out. Shout out to anybody trying to cop those Union joints tomorrow. I'm going to try, but obviously I'm going to probably strike out. Available on Union's website as well as sneakers. And speaking of buying something else that you want, StockX, I think it ends tonight. It might be over by the time you guys actually get this video, but they were doing this dope thing where you could actually, if you buy something, you get a free scratch it, and then it basically gives you something free, like something for their website, basically store credit or free shoes, or I think up to $10,000 was a grand prize. I got $15 off of a purchase, so not that dope. And then I got $5 off of 2 other purchases. But I ended up having a couple of two pairs of shoes that I really wanted that I finally just put in a bid for, and I got them, which I can't wait to show you guys 2 of them. And then, which you guys probably don't even care about, and then the other pair I just ended up getting like the cheapest shoe possible just to get the price, and that's what I ended up doing, which was a pair of Stan Smiths for the wife's size, so it worked out $35 or something. But baby's crying, wife's doing dinner, I gotta watch the baby. Subscribe if you haven't, I guess if you want to. Peace, guys.